Okay. Yes. Okay. Good. Okay. Hello, everyone. Hello, sir. My name is Jonathan Sitorus, and my student ID is 2024 51091. And in this video, I am going to demonstrate my first lab report for the SQL course. I will managing transaction data using the format inline interface or terminal. We'll go through creating a database, managing tables, inserting data, and performing specific queries. So let's start. Uh, and the first comment, first action, I'll type this code. This is MySQL minus root and minus u my root minus d. It's meaning to uh, log in my SQL database and SQL server and input the password is the null and you can enter it on the keyboard and you have login on your SQL server. Okay, and this is a quick database. The action type is quick database and my student ID is the 2024 31091 underscore Lapora underscore one. And I am using the command query database for by my ID to create the new database in my SQL server. And now I will switch to this database using the use 2024 31091 underscore laporan underscore one, and it says database change. And the next action is create table transaction on uh, main main database. Okay. The transaction table is square requires several columns including ID, data, customer name, and transaction status. The action type is the query table query, and I'm defining ID transaction as a primary key. I'm also adding a query add query add with a time default value. And after creating the table, I realized based on the prompt that I need to add extra column. It's called for the transaction with voucher 20 with unique code, unique key, unique key after ID transaction. And the next is the data entry page. I have prepared 15 different data entries to show various scenario, and I will include three types of status. It's pending, success, pending success and cancel, along with different payment methods like cash, transfer, and e-wallet. Okay, the type, the action type, I mean, is insert into transaction. With elements kode transaksi, tanggal transaksi, nama pelanggan, jenis transaksi, kategori, jumlah, metode pembayaran, status. Uh, as you can see, I'm inserting these records one by one or in a batch. I'm making sure that I have at least three different categories. For example, it's electronic. food, and apparel. Okay. It is important to ensure the core transaction values are all different, or the system will reject the input. Okay. Okay. The next action is select, and finally, I need to display the specific data based on the requirements. And I only want to see the ID transaction, nama pelanggan, or the transaksi, and from the transaksi, I'm using the select statement to pick specific columns, and the where is close filter the result to only show cancel status and ordered by X to ensure the list starts from the smallest ID to the largest. And finally, the concludes. Oh, sorry. And finally, we can see this the final table is show is I it have ID transaksi, nama pelanggan, and the last is for the transaksi. Okay, the concludes my presentation. We have successfully created the database via terminal. That modified the table structure and insert 15 period records and filtered the data according to the criteria. All screenshot and the PDF report will be uploaded to Microsoft Teams. Thank you for watching. Thank you everyone, and thank you, sir. Have a nice day.